Hello you guys. My name is Miko and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to first show you guys a different version of the spring twist Outre Afro crochet look. This is stretched and I decided since it's fall that I wanted to play with a little bit of color, so I ended up getting the 2T1B30. I'm gonna show you guys the back of the hair. It's looking. So yeah, this style is back on the glam side, so I'm going back to my roots. I love it, I really do. But I also wanted to talk to you guys about maintenance of crochet braids, ways to effectively use it as a protective style, also just like sustainability in regards to crochet hair. I'm gonna go into the actual tutorial where I'm not gonna talk, some methods I use to not pull out my edges, how I stretched it like this. So first and foremost, I usually braid my hair just straight back, and I keep my cornrows in for as long as I can. I usually last like a month. I'm able to kind of stretch the cornrows underneath the crochet braids for a while. Allows me to switch my hair up without taking it out of the main protective style. So for example, I keep it in the cornrows and I may do crochet braids. I may take out the crochet braids and do a wig, but I'm keeping the same braids as I'm installing and uninstalling the hair. Hair grows best when I'm kind of leaving it alone. It grows well in cornrows, so I kind of like to just keep it in there. So I get asked a lot of questions about maintenance of this crochet hair. If you want, you can twist it every night, but I don't do that. I just tie my hair with a really big scarf, just kind of back like that while I'm sleeping, and then in the morning I just fluff my hair out, and they last up to 3 weeks if I keep them in, if I'm not like trying to just switch the style. Lately I've been thinking a lot about sustainability and recycling and reusing crochet hair, because it's not biodegradable. You know, it's not good to kind of just like buy crochet hair and then cut it out, throw it away so it's in a landfill somewhere. You know, it's better to take it out, reuse the hair as many times as you can, you know what I mean, before you go to tossing stuff out. So I'll probably do another video when I take these out, showing you guys how I uninstall the crochet hair without messing up the hair. And I usually just store it in like a bag, like an expressions bag like this. I just put it back in this bag and like store it in my closet or something until I'm ready to use it again. Yeah, so for this style I actually used one bag and like a few pieces of the second pack. It's pretty much all I have to say before we get into the tutorial. Enjoy the video. Let me know if you have any additional questions in the comments down below, and of course I'll answer them. I try to answer all of my comments. If you guys follow me on Instagram at Miko, me.koh, and subscribe if you want to see more styles. I'm posting every Wednesday and Sunday. Let's get right into the video. Thank you guys so much for watching.